Finding the right mouse mover can make a huge difference for remote work, online meetings, and long sessions away from your desk. Some focus on simplicity, others offer smarter automation and more realistic movement. Here are 6 best mouse movers that deliver reliable performance while keeping your computer active without complicated setup. Number 6. Vaydeer USB Mouse Jiggler. The Vaydeer USB Mouse Jiggler is one of the simplest and most discreet solutions in this category. Unlike traditional mouse movers that require desk space or a separate platform, this compact device plugs directly into a USB port and immediately gets to work. What makes it especially appealing is that it operates as a standard optical mouse, so there is no software to install and no complicated setup process. Within seconds, it is ready to keep your computer active while you focus on other tasks. A feature I particularly appreciate is the built-in display. Many compact jigglers leave you guessing which mode is active, but here you can clearly see the current setting and timer status at a glance. The 3-button layout is intuitive, making adjustments quick and straightforward. You get 2 movement modes to choose from. The first creates subtle cursor activity that stays out of the way during normal computer use, while the second introduces wider movement patterns for users who prefer more noticeable activity. The timer function adds another layer of flexibility. Whether you need 2 hours, 4 hours, 6 hours, 8 hours, or continuous operation, the device adapts easily to different work schedules. The memory function is another practical touch because it remembers your last settings even after restarting. Its compact size, quiet operation, and plug-and-play convenience make it ideal for remote workers, office professionals, and anyone who regularly steps away from their desk. For users wanting a simple and highly portable solution, this is an excellent buy. Number 5. Vaydeer HD Screen Mover. The Vaydeer HD Screen Mover takes a more intelligent approach than many traditional mouse jigglers. Rather than operating independently, it acts as a connection between your computer and your existing mouse. Because the system continues recognizing only your original mouse, the experience remains seamless and completely transparent during everyday use. What really sets this model apart is its smart automatic mode. Once connected, the device monitors mouse activity in the background. When your mouse becomes idle, cursor movement begins automatically. As soon as you touch the mouse again, the device instantly pauses and returns to standby mode. That level of automation makes daily operation effortless and eliminates the need to constantly switch the device on and off. The colorful digital display is another standout feature. It provides clear information about countdown settings, selected movement patterns, and connection status. I found this especially useful because it allows quick adjustments without interrupting workflow. The 3 available cursor trails also provide flexibility, letting users choose between subtle or broader movement styles depending on their preferences. Performance is equally impressive. During long work sessions, the device remained cool, silent, and dependable. The memory function adds further convenience by restoring previous settings after power cycling. Combined with plug-and-play functionality and support for multiple operating systems, it offers a polished user experience from start to finish. For professionals who value automation and want a device that quietly handles everything in the background, the Vaydeer HD Screen Mover is an excellent investment. Number 4. Vaydeer FM 2081. The Vaydeer FM 2081 is designed for users who prefer a physical mouse mover rather than a device that digitally simulates cursor activity. Instead of generating virtual movement, it physically moves an optical mouse placed on its platform. This creates realistic activity while keeping the setup simple and reliable. One of the first things I noticed about the FM 2081 is how quiet it is. Mechanical mouse movers sometimes produce distracting sounds, especially during long workdays. This model uses an upgraded motor that operates with impressive silence, making it well suited for home offices, conference rooms, and shared workspaces. Even after hours of operation, the noise level remains barely noticeable. The built-in power switch is another welcome addition. Rather than unplugging the device whenever you want to stop it, a single press instantly starts or stops operation. It sounds like a small detail, but it significantly improves convenience during everyday use. Setup is refreshingly simple. Place your optical mouse on the rotating platform, connect power, and the device begins working immediately. Because it relies on physical movement rather than software, there are no drivers to install or programs to configure. Compatibility across major operating systems further enhances its versatility. What ultimately makes the FM2081 stand out is its balance of simplicity, reliability, and quiet performance. It focuses on doing one job exceptionally well and consistently delivers dependable results. For professionals seeking a straightforward mechanical mouse mover that operates discreetly and effectively, this model earns a strong recommendation. Number 3. Vaydeer Ultra Slim Mouse Mover. The Vaydeer Ultra Slim Mouse Mover is built with portability in mind, making it one of the most travel-friendly options in the entire lineup. Its slim profile takes up very little desk space, and the lightweight construction makes it easy to carry between home, office, and remote work locations. For anyone who regularly works from different environments, that compact design is a major advantage. Beyond portability, the device delivers realistic movement patterns that help keep your computer active without appearing repetitive or mechanical. The cursor activity feels natural, which is exactly what you want from a physical mouse mover. During testing, the movement remains smooth and consistent without creating unnecessary distractions. A feature I particularly like is the adjustable interval system. Users can choose from several timing options, including a random setting that varies activity intervals automatically. This creates less predictable movement and helps the device feel more natural in operation. The dedicated controls make selecting intervals quick and uncomplicated, while the indicator light provides clear confirmation of the active setting. Another strength is the redesigned micro motor. Many compact devices sacrifice quiet operation for portability, but that is not the case here. The motor remains remarkably silent, making it suitable for professional environments where excessive noise can become annoying over time. Although it lacks the larger platforms found on some premium models, its portability, quiet operation, and flexible timing controls make it highly appealing. For remote workers and frequent travelers who want a compact yet capable solution, the Ultra Slim Mouse Mover is an easy recommendation. Number 2. Vaydeer Dual Turntable. The Vaydeer Dual Turntable Mouse Mover introduces a clever design that improves both usability and movement realism. Instead of relying on a single rotating platform, it uses two synchronized turntables that work together to create smoother and more natural cursor activity. The result feels less repetitive and more convincing during extended operation. One of the biggest advantages is the raised platform design. Traditional mouse movers often require careful positioning of the mouse sensor before they work correctly. This model eliminates that frustration. Simply place your mouse on the platform and let the turntables handle the rest. The raised edges also help keep the mouse stable throughout operation, reducing the chance of accidental slips. Compatibility is another area where this device excels. Whether you use a compact wireless mouse or a larger productivity model, the platform accommodates a wide range of sizes comfortably. During testing, the dual turntable mechanism remained smooth and reliable, while the silicone base helped reduce vibration and unwanted noise. The adjustable interval timer adds even more flexibility. Multiple timing options allow users to customize how often movement occurs, and the random interval setting creates less predictable behavior for a more natural experience. Dedicated controls make adjustments quick and intuitive. What makes this model particularly appealing is how refined the overall experience feels. Every aspect, from stability to noise control, appears thoughtfully designed. For users seeking a premium mechanical mouse mover that balances convenience, compatibility, and dependable performance, the dual turntable is an outstanding choice. Number 1. Vaydeer Enlarged Mouse Mover. Claiming the top position is the Vaydeer Enlarged Mouse Mover, a device that combines excellent usability, advanced customization, and broad compatibility into one highly polished package. From the moment you place a mouse on its enlarged platform, it becomes clear that convenience was a major focus during development. The larger rotating surface immediately improves the user experience. Unlike smaller mouse movers that require careful alignment, this model allows you to place the mouse naturally without worrying about sensor positioning. The expanded platform also accommodates a wider range of mouse sizes, making it suitable for virtually any setup. Its standout feature is the 11-stage interval system. Rather than repeating identical movement cycles, the device introduces varying pauses between rotations. This creates a much more realistic activity pattern that closely resembles natural computer use. In day-to-day operation, that added randomness makes a noticeable difference. The integrated display is another feature I genuinely appreciate. Being able to monitor countdown information and operating status without guessing adds convenience and confidence during use. The 3-button control layout keeps everything simple while still providing precise control over timing adjustments. Performance is equally impressive. The device operates smoothly, remains easy to configure, and requires no software installation whatsoever. Since power is supplied without data communication, setup remains discreet and uncomplicated. Combining thoughtful design, advanced timing control, excellent compatibility, and effortless operation, the enlarged mouse mover delivers the most complete experience in the lineup. For users who want the best overall Vaydeer mouse mover, this is the model I would recommend first. Each of these Vaydeer mouse movers offers something unique, whether you value portability, smart automation, quiet operation, or advanced customization. The right choice depends on your workflow and personal preferences. Which model is your favorite? Share your thoughts below, and do not forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more reviews.